spread the word really about how Mako has really affected for the good the lives of patients undergoing hip and knee surgery. It has really sped up their recovery. They've had a precision joint put into their knee or their hip, and actually it's a really great way of innovation coming into the world of orthopaedics.
Hello, I'm Katie. I'm Mr. Aslam's private practice manager based at Spire South Bank Hospital in Worcester. One of the key parts of my job is ensuring that the patient journey for Mako is seamless. We've done 359 cases, and the majority of the patients that have had surgery are more than happy with their outcomes. Mr. Aslam's role is to get the best possible outcome for the patient, and mine is to offer a 5-star service. Thank you.
So what's the difficult part of your job as a Mako representative?
So I'd say the most difficult part of being a Mako representative, I would say, is kind of the planning that goes into it, and the conversations, having those early conversations, getting through us procurements, getting the surgeons interested into it, taking them down to head office or showcasing Mako in this kind of setting, getting people to hear, and then just getting them to kind of see it. As soon as they've saw the technology, people see it, they believe it, they get hands on with it, they get to test out the haptics, and instantly, I think then it's kind of a sold case to them. Then they're instant believers of it. As soon as they get hands on with the technology, it kind of flows a lot better.
Yeah, so this station is about Mako draping and rear registration.
Assembly of the and the track instrumentation.
Pelvis, that's there ready for later. This is just the one we're looking at. So this is a left knee. And the first thing to start with is where the robot is positioned. So the robot is always going to be on the operative side. The camera has to be able to see the robot, so it has to be over there. And then really the guidance module, that can be wherever the MPS prefers it to be, but we've got it there. So the important role of the MPS in the theatre is to support the staff, to make sure that everyone is comfortable with what they're doing, to be an extra member of the team, to make sure that the case runs smoothly, and also to support the surgeon in their whatever stage it might be, whether it's their first case, whether it's that they just need us for the routine things like balancing. But it's to support everyone and help make sure that the case runs smoothly and efficiently.
That was connected to the robot. Before I even touch the patient, check this checkpoint and check this checkpoint, because that means that the patient and the CT scan are linked. This means that the robot's attached in the right way. Oh, sorry. We can then go ahead and impact or bring. So that bit's all pretty straightforward. And then we get so we've done our, this is all manual. So we've made our reception, we've done our broaching, put it in, we get our correct implanting. We can now see with these 2 points if the offset's increased, if the leg length's decreased, and we can make decisions from there.
In my opinion, the most difficult part of being an MPS is knowing your surgeon, your scrub team, and the complete environment that you're working in. So it's really important to know the nuances, what the surgeon likes, surgeon preferences, and the best ways to get a really good outcome for every patient.
So what you want to do is always come from your side of the drape. Yeah. And essentially what you want to do is grab the 2 blue stickers. Depending on how the robot's set up, whether it's a left or a right knee, it will be different. So in this instance, we're going to be saying we're going to do a right knee to make it a little bit easier. So in a right knee, the robot itself has left and right arms. Number 1, it will tell you with an arrow which way to pull out that layer. So you open it.
I really like that there are different stations here because we get to experience the instruments, the robot, and everything like firsthand. And also, what really impressed me as well were the patients' testimonies earlier from the videos. I was amazed because the patient outcomes, I think, were very phenomenal, and I think the whole course itself was very organized. So thank you, Striker and Mr. Aslam and Shona for inviting me and for organizing this training. Thank you.
This training is really interesting. I haven't done or scrub for one, but this gives me an overview of the advantage and disadvantage of it. And it shows how to assemble and use all the instruments. And the patient's outcome post-op is really, really amazing. And Mr. Aslam and all the committee members has done well. Well done.